वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Hello and welcome from Sukhakarta Dukhaharta INMCS. Our team name is comprised of two words, Sukhakarta and Dukhaharta. The word Sukhakarta is basically a combination of two words, Sukh, that is happiness, Khushi, Achhai, and Karta, that is mainly a doer. So basically, Ganpati Bappa, as we know, is someone who does good things and brings happiness to our lives. Secondly, the second word is Dukhakarta. This is mainly comprised of two words, Dukha and Harta. Dukha is sadness or maybe something negative. Harta is basically the one or the person who takes. So, Ganpati Bappa is the one who takes all sorrow and negativity from our lives and brings in positivity. We all know that this Ganesh festival has been a little bit mute due to the coronavirus pandemic. So we at INM Sukhakarta Dukhaharta are trying to take you on a virtual journey to visit all the Ashtavinayak. Hope you enjoy this journey with us.
First one is Mayureshwar, which is also known as Mayureshwar. This temple is situated 65 kilometers away from the Pune on the banks of Kara river in the village Morgaon. The deity is three-eyed, seated with his trunk turned towards the left. This indicates the direction of success. Also, the god is flanked by the idols of Riddhi and Siddhi. These are the companions of the god.
One is Siddhivinayak temple. Siddhivinayak temple is situated in the village Siddhatek, 100 km from Pune. The sanctum was built by Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar of Indore. The Ganesh idol of Siddhivinayak is placed in a brass frame. In the sanctum you can find Shiva Panchayatana and a shrine to goddess Shivai.
Third one, Baleswar temple is one of the 8 Ashtavinayak temples of Lord Ganesha. Among Ganesha temples, Baleshwar is the only incarnation of Ganesha that is known by his devotee's name. Located in the village of Pali, which is at a distance of 28 kilometers from Roha in the Raigad district of Maharashtra. It is situated between Fort Sarasgarh and the river Amba.
The fourth one is Varad Vinayak temple. It is situated in Mahad village in Raigad, which is 146 km from Pune. The idol faces east and has trunk turned to the left. The idol was found in the lake adjoining the temple and hence displayed the weather-hurt look. An oil lamp called Nanda Deep is believed to have been burning since 1892.
Next one is Chintamani temple. It is known to be one of the larger and more famous of the 8 river shrines. The temple is situated in the village of Theur. It is 25 kilometers from Pune. The hall has a black stone water fountain in it. Beside the central shrine dedicated to Ganesha, there are 3 smaller shrines in the temple complex. They are dedicated to Shiva, Vishnu Lakshmi and Hanuman. Ganesha is worshipped by the name Chintamani in this temple, as it is believed he provides deliverance from worries.
Number 6 is Girjatmach temple. This temple is situated within a Buddhist caves on a mountain that is also called Ganesh Caves. This is situated 97 kilometers from Pune and you have to climb 307 steps to reach there. The entire temple is carved out of a single stone and faces south. Girjatmach means the son of Girja, that is Parvati. Thanks.
The seventh one is the Vignaha temple. It is situated on the banks of Kukadi river, 95 km away from Pune, just off the Pune-Nasik highway, in the towns of Ozar. The temple is enclosed on all the sides by high stone walls and its pinnacle is made of gold. The idol faces the east and has its trunk towards the left. Riddhi and Siddhi flank the idol of Ganesha.
Now we reach to the final Ganpati of the Ashtavinaka list, which is Mahaganpati. So as name suggested, Mahaganpati is the most powerful form of Lord Ganesha. It is believed that after taking form of this Ganesha, Lord Shiva vanquished demon Tripurasur. This Ganpati having 10 trunks and 20 hands. temple for the Mahaganpati is located at Ranjangaon, which is nearby to the Pune.
We hope you enjoyed our virtual tour. We at Sukhakarta Dukhaharta INMCS try our best to emulate these morals laid down by Ganpati Bappa. With respect to the real world and our work life, we try to understand our customers' pain points and we try our best to provide the solutions to help them solve their problems. In our own words, or our humble effort is to ensure that we are the Dukhaharta for our customers so that they get Sukh. Hope you enjoyed this.
गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, गणपती बाप्पा मोरया, गणपती बाप्पा मोरया.